It's your boy Stitch, and welcome to Whip of the Week. Whip of the Week, 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 Whip of the Week. Black G. Black G. Lightning is done with the paint, turned out A1. Snoop loves it. Now it's over at Tallhead. He's snatching out the old motor, putting the new one in. We're down to 26 days with this deadline. Everything is looking good. So far, so good. I think we got this one in the bag. I go in.
Everything went smooth. Mounts are in, modified the cross member, exhaust is done, X pipes in, dry shaft's fitted. So
What about O2 sensor?
fixture worked up. We got to get the O2 sensor put in. We're finishing the wiring up on the top side.
Okay.
Got to put an oil filter on it. But other than that, everything underneath is wrapped up.
We're gonna have a problem with them pulleys?
A little clearance issue with AC compressor. We put a little notch in the frame. That'll be done.
Cool. I got the gas tank that just came in, so.
Got the wiring harness cut, narrowed, thinned out, getting ready to shove it through the firewall and mount it inside the car.
It looks good under here. I'm glad you undercoated it.
Yeah.
Looks a whole lot better.
Cleaned everything up nice, painted everything. Cleaned the frame good.
For what, 24 more hours? Back to us?
Waiting on the transmission controller.
Okay. How long?
Should be here Monday.
Monday?
Somebody gave me a ECU for an automatic or manual, not an automatic transmission.
Damn it. All right.
So other than that,
It's looking good.
everything's going. We got the header. The wiring harness looks like a mess, but it's all.
It is a mess. What it look like?
All fixed, all thinned out, ready to be taped up. Tucked in tight. You know you won't see it. That's how we do it. We got a little issue over here.
Oh my goodness. Issue? What kind of issues?
There's no glass on this door.
No, it was a glass in that door.
There used to be a glass in that door.
So what a glass is?
All over the place.
No
So the glass got broke.
Yeah, door window's broken, so we have to find another glass.
Okay. We got a problem. The window on Snoop's car is busted. Nobody's taking the credit for doing it. Of course they wouldn't. But when I find out who did it, somebody's getting put in the headlock. Trust me. Who broke this glass, Tom?
Well, they got about 5 more out there.
It should go in quick.
It should go in quick. I got a piece of it.
Well, I tell you what, if it don't go in quick or something, it's another problem. Lightning getting put in the headlock.
The headlock?
The headlock.
Yeah, everything's going good except we got came over here with a broken window in it, so gotta get that taken care of. But body shop guys will be over here in a little bit to put the front end on, so we'll get the truth in.
Tallhead said lightning did it. I'm sure Lightning is gonna say Tallhead did it. We don't know, but it has to be fixed. Luckily, Lightning has about 5 windows that we can choose from to put in it. Hopefully it'll get fixed real quick and we can move on with the process. Cause 45 days is winding down.
Now that the car's over at Tallheads, me and Puncho been working on the trim, finishing up the seats. We waiting on the rims, and y'all can deal with the rim later.
Hey, what's up? So, I am the boss lady, aka the rim lady, aka Tequila, aka the babysitter, cause I babysit these guys here in the shop. So with this challenge, 45 days, we supposed to get it done, and he expects me to have the rims and tires ordered for this car. I don't know how I'm gonna get it done, but I will get it done because I am the boss lady, aka the rim lady.
Just got the car back from Queens Customs over there. Lightning sprayed it that lightning blue. He done did his thing. Tallhead done did his thing. So now it's back to us. I got the guys back there running wires, installing lights. Puncho doing the headliner. Around here running the system. So all hands on deck on our end. I'm about to go ahead and see if I can assist these guys on what I can do without stepping on their toes, which I probably will. But we got to get it done because our clock ticking and I got to get paid. What we gonna put here? Music. Figure out what we gonna put in the center here. Somebody made the box too tall, so we had to go back in and reconstruct. What the box builder did. Just a little double work. Everybody rocking and rolling, baby. As soon as they get out my way, I'm finna go knock out this top. Redskin putting on the dyno mat back there. these rims. I'm tired of them asking me. Yo, checked on the wheels? You better call them. Cause they on my ice, so I got to be on your ice.
Who was they?
Everybody.
Everybody.
Dustin, no, we got until, we got about a week and a half left, and we need them before that.
Less than 12 days.
Less than 12 days.
Okay, let me call him.
Hit his ass up, see where we at.
This ain't falling on me.
Ain't gonna be on me either, cause I'm stitching and we about done.
All right, let me call him.
Later, Taylor.
So, the guys doing their job, they're almost finished, and now we're waiting on the wheels. This will not fall on me, the rim lady, at all. I'm not having it. Now, I gotta get in contact with Dustin and find out what's the ETA on these rims, because we're down to the wire. Less than 12 days, these rims need to be shipped out as of today, so we can have them on time.
What he did with the other one?
I don't know, maybe the cable. Remember, maybe the cable is, no, it's me, tell me, hey, out, take it out, and push. And you can push.
We might have should have made it longer since the seat gonna be farther back. Down. Tallhead made a plate for us so we can slide the seat back about a good 4 inches. Give him a little more leg room. Snoop say like 6'4", so make sure you got room for them Chuck Taylors. Oh yeah, that's good room. Well, so he'll still have a little tilt cause he long, but that's better. What about the settings for the gauges?
We're gonna dial that on in. You got all everything pre-wired.
So it ain't got the 2 buttons for it? On these?
Right here.
Oh, they got them up there now.
Up there.
So when we cut them on, the color come on?
Yeah. Now change the color combination to coordinate with the car. And dial all the sensors in.
We have to cut around there.
Beautiful.
So there's our end connections right here, like I was showing you earlier. Make them all easy, quick disconnects and everything we do, so that way you need to move something around, unplug. Our hot wire on the inside, I'll give you a little live example. Show off a little work what we got going on around here. Damn. And this wire right here is going to control the whole trunk. So we're going to have a 3-way connection. And the whole trunk will be lit off that one main feed coming out the front of the car right there. That's what we do, man.
What's up, world? We down to 12 days. We been rocking and rolling back here on our side. We done bust out the headliner, the carpet, the dash, seats. We fabbing up the trunk. So, Tall Head back there hooking up the electrical fans, the digital dash, a few little odds and ends on his end. We about through, man. The only thing we waiting on is confirmation for the wheels. We'll be here in time. Got my fingers crossed, but that's about all I could do at this point. But we down to a week and a half. I'm about ready to knock this thing out the park.